If you're wondering if you can clone apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, if we open our settings, we'll be able to find options for security and privacy, and then we can enter the more security settings and secure folder. So this device does have a secure folder, which basically allows you to clone apps and hide files and etc. So if you want to set it up, I've made a dedicated video on how to perform first setup for secure folder. If you're interested, watch it. And then when we have it, we can open secure folder. For example, as you can see, I have Facebook right here added, and that is the clone of a Facebook that I have normally in my normal apps right here. So as you can see, there's again the terms and privacy options, and if I open my running apps, there's a Facebook and another Facebook that is the clone of it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.